So good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be teaching how to do our 3D designs. These are the material you need: your glue gum, your copper wire, and hemming gum, also your transparent fabric. In this video I used organza. If you notice, our organza is very light. So I'm placing the hemming gum in between the organza fabric so as to make it thicker. Once you iron your hemming gum, it melts in between the fabrics and make it thicker. So that's what I'm trying to do here. You can place as many as you want just to make it thicker, depending on the amount of 3D design or 2D design you're doing. So the next thing for you to do here is just to iron. So I took it down to iron. As you can see, it's now thicker. Unlike the normal organza, our fabric is now thicker. Our transparent fabric is now thicker. The next thing for you to do is to draft out your design. Any shape of your choice, draft it out. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So once you cut out your pattern, place on your fabric and cut as many pieces as you want. Cut as many pieces as you want. Yeah, I tried to fold my fabric into 4 so as to cut at least 4 pieces or thereabouts at once. This helps save time. Though it might waste some of your material, but it saves time and it's faster. So after cutting out, I have at least 4 pieces. So the next thing is for you to get a tiny applique. Yeah, I use a cup chain. This is what I use, cup chain here. You can decide to get another design, maybe tiny applique, not the broad designs, just tiny applique to cover the edges of your designs. Then dab your glue gum gently so as to avoid stain. Dab it gently, just put it gently so as to avoid stains. This glue gum is very effective. It's very effective. So once you apply your glue gum, the next thing is for you to place your cup chain at the edge. Just do it gently. After placing, you can decide to tack the cup chain to the fabric so as to avoid it removing if you're not sure of your glue gum. There's tendency for the cup chain to remove, so it's advisable for you to tack the cup chain just to secure it. So do the same to the other side of the design. Apply your gum and also the cup chain. Do that gently so you won't have any stains. Yeah, I'm applying the gum gently. So this requires patience. this, our 2D design is ready. If you're working with 2D design, with this you're good to go. This is our 2D design ready, and you're good to go. So I repeat same process for the remaining cutouts designs. So these are 2D design. As you can see, this is it's not standing unlike the 3D design that we usually see. This is just a 2D design. If you're working with 2D, you're good to go. Just tag this on your dress, then you're good to go. For you to turn your 2D design into 3D design, we need our copper wire. Here you measure the length of the design, then you cut out, then place it at the back. Just put your glue gum where you want to place your copper wire, at the back of the design. Then you put in your gum, allow it to dry a bit, and place your copper wire. Unknown to me, my phone stopped recording, so I had to repeat the process. So here's our 3D and the 2D. I had to repeat the process just for you to understand better. So measure your copper wire. Measure your copper wire so as to know the length which is required. Then dab in your glue gum where you want to place your copper wire. Do this gently so as to avoid stain. Then place your copper wire straight on the place you apply your glue gum. So with this, you already have a standing structure. So at the front part, you cover the copper wire with your cup chain, so as to have a neat job. So I did about 3 3D and 2 2D, just for you to see the difference. So here I'm just trying to create a leaf design just for you to see the difference between the 3D and the 2D design. So here we are. Depending on your own design you're working with, do as many 2D 3D as you want. See the difference? The 2D can't be bent as a 3D. The 3D you can decide to bend it the way you want it. So here's our 2D and 3D designs. I hope you find this helpful. Please do well by subscribing. Thank you.